Hi there my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this glittery smoky eye makeup look. So let's get started. First taking this big fluffy blending brush and this highlighting shade from morphexjaclynhill palette. Highlighting my brow bone, both of my eye. This brush is from a drugstore, taking this shade and starting over by applying the shade too close to my eye and finishing it to my crease area. Applying the shade in dabbing motions so you will get a very pigmented eye makeup look. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking this brown shade and blending my crease area to make it look more softer and blended. Again taking the same brush, reapplying the dark shade. This big fluffy blending brush is from Morphe Brushes, and with this clean brush, here I am soften the edges of my crease. The shimmer is from Christine Cosmetics in shade number 164. Applying the shimmer over my lid. This mascara is from Maybelline Closer, applying on my lashes. This gold pencil is from Gosh Cosmetics, applying on my waterline. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, again taking the dark shade and smoking out my lower lash line. This pencil brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking this shade and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. So this is a complete look. I hope you will all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.